This is my 2015 firework stash. First off, we're going to start off with the artillery shells. Only got one of these. These are actually not that bad. Here's all the things, that type of things that it does. And these are some just random Roman candles. Red Ball Rhino candle, 10 shot. And I got these little ones. The black cats. These are actually pretty good. They shoot several different type of colors. Just some regular sparklers. Then up here, we got some of these smoke bombs. I got two of them. I lit some of them off. These bees right here are pretty good. And these are just a whole bunch of like bottle rockets and different type of things. These are the effects. Yeah, so this is my firework stash. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe. Thank you.